Hooked up my TMA again, and we're going to do DJ Thunderdome, Steve Meade's Nightmare. We're going to start a little bit early because it doesn't really take so long to start up, so we'll start at 15 seconds. Here we go.